let's take a look at the clearly filtered water pitcher, water filter refill. So when you first open the box, you're going to get a couple things. So you're going to get this bag here, and you've got your filter. So the instructions, as I've been using the clearly filtered pitcher for quite some time now, is, well, usually it has it in here. Let's open everything and take a look. When you get a clearly filtered water pitcher, you're going to get one of these nice quick start guides. It will tell you what to do with this. So let me turn to that page and tell you. So this is called the prime filter. The prime filter is going to get your water filter, this guy, ready so that you can use it in your water pitcher, which we're going to put in shortly. So according to the instructions, you want to fill up the bag upside down so the priming disc is facing the faucet. You're going to put water in the bag and basically twist the threaded base on the filter, and you're going to be you're going to be squeezing it through the filter. So as you can see through this, you're squeezing it through the filter and then you're refilling it up and repeating the process. So you're going to do this 2 or 3 times, and then you can unscrew it. So again, that's this, and this is your filter. So putting water in here. I'm not going to prime it for you, but I am going to show you that you take this off here. Well, I'm sorry, you take this off when you're putting it in your water pitcher and before you're doing the priming, but I'm just going to demonstrate. So I'm going to screw it together. And this is after you've put the water in your priming bag. So you're going to put water in your priming bag, then you're going to take your filter, screw it on. So it's nice and tight. And this is where the water comes out in your pitcher. Excuse me. And you're just gonna work it down and squeeze it until it starts dripping down. So you're getting your filter ready for your big pitcher. And you're going to take this priming bag off, fill up with water, and repeat the process. I am getting thirsty. I sure could use a drink of water. Oh, much better. Oh, this is my clearly filtered water pitcher. So that filter we were looking at, it's right in here. So once you've got your filter primed, you're going to screw the filter to the bottom of this pitcher. Second piece in here, and then you can start using it immediately. I've done this process several times, and it gives you very delicious water, So I hope you enjoyed the review of the clearly filtered water filter. Thanks so much.